Here we have the current stock market update for MicroCloud Hologram Incorporated, stock ticker HOLO. Before we begin with this chart analysis, if you find these educational materials to be helpful in your trading, please remember to click the like and subscribe buttons and leave your thoughts in the comments section below so that other traders will be able to find this information more easily on the platform. So here we have the hourly price chart. I think that this is a fairly good view at the moment for the price history for this stock. As we can see, current share prices have moved into new lows into the lower 30s. And this does mean that share prices have now started to test the lower end of the trading range that has been identified in prior videos. So as we can see here, this near-term trend wave here, we're actually seeing price lows come in right around 34 cents. We need to update this a bit here. This prior spike low is actually this 31 cent level. So this near-term low, as we're seeing here, does come in right around 34 cents. So we're seeing, we're currently seeing a lower low in relation to the price lows that were posted previously at the 36 cent mark. As things currently stand, we have seen a fair amount of price movement to the downside. It does look as though this prior possible double bottom support zone that we were watching in the prior video has now broken to the downside. We did see a little bit of upside price movement, ultimately reaching price highs of 44.5 cents. But now that we have broken through this succession of lows here, we can see that share prices are now once again on a negative trajectory, and share prices are likely to continue moving lower from here. So the real question is whether or not share prices will start to be able to recover some of these prior resistance zones that we've seen previously. If we just pull out on this price chart a bit here, we can see that there is a tremendous amount of price action that has been focused under the $1 level. This is a lot of the recent price action, whereas prior rallies in this stock would have been seen toward the middle of February when share prices rallied to levels that were close to $100 per share. However, this essentially means that we've lost about 99% of the value, more than 99% of the value, in a very short period of time, a matter of months. So at this stage, it's really a major question about why anybody would think that this share price, this stock, is likely to start moving higher here near term. I mean, I'm not exactly understanding why people think that this stock could lose more than 99% of its value, and then just magically start to rally once again. I mean, is there some suggestion here that there's a reversion to the mean? Because if we look at the longer term moving averages here, those are also flatlining. I mean, even if we were to look at some of these, if we were to go back in time here and look at some of these prior moving average histories here, we would have to go back to the middle of March roughly to see a moving average area that was around $9 per share. So this would be a significant move higher if we were to see share prices move into $9. But we're an incredibly far distance away from there. And as we can see, any moves into this 76 cent level was rejected quite quickly. We really didn't see much share price movement here. Overall, markets did reverse quite quickly after seeing this bounce, and the more recent bounces have been much smaller in size. So we can sort of point to this here. So for a moment, let's just compare this rally here, this prior rally, from roughly 30 cents to roughly 76 cents. And see that there was a fairly significant price movement here recently. But then let's compare this to the more recent trend rally into 44.5 cents. And now we're starting to break through prior support zones. So this all this does here is continue with a succession of lower highs and lower lows. So that's the definition of a downtrend. And then in addition to that, what we have here is a succession of support breaks through all of the major Fibonacci support zones that define this prior rally. So, at this point, it's really not clear what people expect. Overall, these prior resistance zones, 56 cents, 41 cents, we're trading well below those figures currently. And bounces here have been minimal. In addition to that, you have the share price itself that's trading below the exponential moving average cluster. So the momentum here is clearly focused on the downside. And if we look at the indicator reading, I was previously looking at a shorter term time frame here, but even on the hourly chart, there is a very strong price slope here, which does suggest that negative momentum is currently governing this stock. So, there really isn't much here to suggest that share prices are likely to start heading higher. I mean, if anybody actually sees a signal here that is positive, I would like to hear what it is in the comment section, because I don't see anything here. All of the momentum here is focused in the downward direction, and any bounces here have been incredibly short term in nature. So the question that people really need to be asking themselves is, if you do buy into this stock, what is the most likely outcome? Are you likely to see share prices bounce higher? I suppose you could make that argument. We recently saw this move into 76 cents, and then we recently saw it move into 45 cents. But the question here is, how long does this last? I mean, these aren't even full trading days for the most part. Where we start to see share prices reverse. These are extremely fast movements. So, possibly you could make the argument here, if you're looking at the stock from a short-term perspective. I mean, are you day trading the stock? Are you looking to get into the stock, in 1 hour and then maybe get out the next, an hour later, something like that? Or is this a long-term hold? Because a lot of the comments that I keep seeing seem to be suggesting, I hear the $40 mark come up a lot. I hear the $50 mark come up a lot. And I'm just not understanding why people think that anything like that would be possible. I mean, in order for you to really make that sort of assumption, you would first have to explain why share prices dropped from nearly $100 per share in February of this year. This is 2024. This is not ancient history. 2024, and you lose more than 99% of the share price value. Why? I mean, what is the explanation for that? I mean, do you see that sort of activity happen with Nvidia or Microsoft or Apple? I mean, has anything like that ever occurred with any of those companies? I mean, I'm just not understanding the logic here. So if anybody can explain it to me in the comment section, I'm honestly listening. I'm all ears, because from a psychological perspective, I don't really understand what would inspire anybody to buy into a stock like this, other than two things. Other than the fact that, one, the share price is very low, so it's very easy to buy a number of shares, and then two, the fact that it's being pumped and promoted, and there's all this fake excitement all throughout YouTube about this stocks, telling people that share prices are going to rally higher. I mean, I think that once you enter into a position, it's much easier to convince yourself that share prices are going to move higher. What would your opinion on the stock be if you were not long the stock? Because that's my position currently. I don't have a buy or a sell order here. I wouldn't get into the stock in either direction. I think it's incredibly dangerous. I wouldn't even sell it, because you could see these sort of short-term bounces here, probably based on some idiotic YouTube video or something like that. And then you might be down. Although you could probably just hold on to the position, and share prices are going to continue to move lower. So I'm just curious why people think that this stock actually has a potential to recover the 99% losses that have already been seen this year. Here's the current stock market update for MicroCloud Hologram Incorporated, stock ticker HOLO. Our high value trading strategies membership is currently available for a limited time for only $9.99 per month. These high conviction investment strategies are characterized by superior risk to reward metrics that target massive market beating returns over time. Join now to outperform the market. Lock in this special introductory rate of just $9.99 per month for the entire lifetime of your membership, and start trading stocks with the pros.